lights reflect dreams I used to hide. From the lows to highs, yeah, I earned this flight. Rolling past the memories, feeling just right. Used to see the world through a window frame. Now I'm in the Aston, life's a different game. Silver wings glide through the night's embrace. Every mile's a story, left without a trace. Stayed low in the shadows, now it's lights on me. Ain't about the diamonds, just the life I see. From the bottom, from the dust, I rose alone. Now I ride with my future, my past overthrown. Cruising through the night in my Aston ride. City lights reflect dreams I used to hide. From the lows to highs, yeah, I earned this flight. Rolling past the memories, feeling just right. Echoes of the hustle fuel my soul so deep. In this Aston Martin, dreams don't come cheap. Built a vision, stayed true, watched it ignite. Drove through the darkness, now I own the night. Flashback to days I was stuck in a haze. Now the city calls me like set ablaze. Grateful for the lessons, every scar, every turn. I'm rolling in success that I fought to earn. Let the engine hum, let the world drift by. In this Aston Martin under painted skies. It's more than the money, it's my soul set free. Each street I pass holds a part of me. Cruising through the night in my Aston ride. City lights reflect dreams I used to hide. From the lows to highs, yeah, I earned this flight. Rolling past the memories, feeling just right. So I ride on, with my story in the rear view. Taking in the skyline, feels like brand new. Yeah, I've come so far, no fear, no regret. Just a road and an Aston I'll never forget.